Hello from the RUF gathering here at the 2022 Carlisle Import and Performance Nationals. We are in the Germany section of the show field. If you're not familiar with the Carlisle Import Show, they divide the show field up into country of origin. Obviously we are in Germany and we are in the RUF and Porsche section. Here's our RUF gathering. We've got a really good variety of cars, different versions. Have some true W09 VIN RUFs, an authentic CTR3, and some conversions and some cars just modified with RUF parts. But have a lot of cool cars to show you today. So this car is a RUF CTR3, more actually of a, I would almost call it automotive artwork than a vehicle. The CTR, as you know, gained notoriety in the 80s when it won the world's fastest car competition in Road and Track magazine, the famous Yellowbird. The CTR2 gained notoriety at Pikes Peak. And then comes the CTR3, which is this vehicle, which is a ground up RUF produced and manufactured vehicle, mid-engine supercar, 911 styling up front, Porsche 550 Spider styling in the back, and again, more an automotive artwork than a vehicle. This car is a genuine W09 VIN RUF RTurbo. Current owner took delivery in Pfaffenhausen at the RUF factory and has obviously since had it shipped here to the United States. Lots of things are different about this car than a stock Porsche 996 Turbo, and different than many RTurbo conversions. One being in the back here is the most notable difference. The intakes to the intercooler. The rear fenders are different. This car, again, much like the CTR3 that we have here, is more automotive artwork than a vehicle. Simply beautiful. This car is started life as a 993 Turbo. Was actually converted by RUF in Japan to a RUF THR conversion, which is T for turbo, R for RUF, and H, I believe, is Huber for the engineer or the mechanic who actually handled the conversions. This car has extensive track history and time trials in Japan. It is an absolute beautiful vehicle and sounds just as good as it looks. So next we have, this car is actually a RUF RTurbo factory conversion. This is the car that we say maybe if Bruce Wayne or Batman owned a RUF, this would be it. It's very stealthy, black with the yellow accents, beautiful car. Actually started life as a Porsche. Delivery was taken in Zuffenhausen at Porsche, and then the owner drove it straight to Pfaffenhausen for a factory conversion. So this is an authentic factory RUF conversion. It was done in Pfaffenhausen, and then since then has made its way here to the United States. So this car is a RUF modified Porsche 996 Turbo. It is actually the very car that is featured on RUFautomobiles.com, the official website, under the modifications tab. As most of you know, you can have a ground up built RUF, factory RUF conversion, or they'll modify a Porsche, and that's what this car is. The current owner bought it as a stock 996 Turbo and contacted RUF and got technical advice, and the car recently just completed turbo upgrade, ECU upgrade, and a RUF muffler, along with the springs and bumpers and some other accessories.
he's having a show in
Two new additions we have here on day 2. This beautiful 993 has multiple roof modifications, the engine, exhaust, cosmetic, beautiful looking, beautiful sounding car. And then you typically, when you think of roof, you think of 911s, mid-engine Boxers. You don't think of transaxle cars, but I'll tell you, the roof wheels on a 968 look great. Our roof tent is located right next to the Porsche Club of America. They have expecting about 30 or 40 Porsche examples here today. We have 8 different roof or roof modified Porsches here over the course of the weekend that we'll be able to hopefully show you some details, get you some information about all these cars.
Yeah, we lived in
This hydraulic system.
Much easier. They have the detection, but they don't have Ford. It is for some good.